If you're searching for a high-performance water bottle that combines style, durability, and versatility, the FineDine triple-walled, insulated water bottle with straw in inky raven black is an excellent contender. With a generous 25-ounce capacity and crafted from premium stainless steel, this bottle is designed to meet the hydration needs of everyone from athletes to office-goers, students, and travelers. One of its standout features is its triple-wall insulation, a design that not only ensures your beverage stays cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12, but also eliminates annoying condensation and prevents burns, making it ideal for both hot coffee and chilled water. Unlike typical double-wall bottles, this one adds a copper lining between the walls, further boosting thermal retention and giving it a real edge in performance. You'll also appreciate the convenience of its 3 interchangeable, 100% leak-proof lids. A flip straw lid for sipping on the go, a stainless steel twist cap for a sleek look and added durability, and a wide mouth lid with a built-in handle, ideal for quick refills and easy cleaning. This versatility makes the bottle highly adaptable for various settings: the gym, a hike, your car's cup holder, a school backpack, or a conference table. The inky raven black finish isn't just elegant, it's powder-coated for durability, providing a sweat-proof, slip-resistant grip that resists scratches and dings from daily use. It's equally at home in rugged outdoor environments and professional workspaces. Constructed with 18.8 food-grade stainless steel, the FineDine bottle is BPA-free and non-toxic, so you never have to worry about unwanted chemical tastes or odors. Unlike plastic bottles, it doesn't leach, and unlike glass, it won't shatter if dropped. It's also dishwasher safe, a huge plus for busy users who don't have time to hand wash every item. The wide mouth design not only supports ice cubes for extra chill but also makes it easier to clean and fill. Plus, it weighs less than glass bottles of similar size while offering far superior thermal performance. For families, the bottle's spill-proof and kid-friendly straw lid makes it perfect for school lunches or sports practice. Adults will find it invaluable for commuting, staying hydrated during workouts, or simply sipping throughout the day at work. The compact size fits in car cup holders and backpack side pockets, making it practical for both everyday life and travel. Whether you're a mom on the go, a college student needing something durable, or a fitness enthusiast requiring reliable hydration, this bottle fits your lifestyle. Compared to leading brands like Hydro Flask, Swell, or Takea, FineDine holds its own in terms of insulation and surpasses many in terms of value, delivering 3 lids at a fraction of the cost. The straw lid also has a silicone spout that feels soft on the mouth and is easy to flip up, while the carry